Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. Okay, so earlier today, I did not have a clue on where me and my youngest son was going to go. Okay, but then I decided, you know what, we could go back to Union City. So Union City is about 3 towns over from us, or is it 4? About 3 towns over from us. Okay, so we had went to the stores. First of all, our whole main purpose once we got to Union City was to look for churros. Okay, which is a Spanish dessert. Honey, you see that 222? Okay, pay attention to that. Look, so these pants, this blouse was absolutely fabulous. It was $2, but my youngest son was like, we ain't here for that. Then I came to this place that sell girdles and waist train. I don't know if they sell waist trainers, but these girdles and stuff was absolutely fabulous. Okay, the lady who was in there, she was very sweet. I came in here because of this dress that was at the front, that was in the window. It was absolutely gorgeous. Okay, then we had stopped into the $5 shoe spot. These shoes, it was really, really cute. Okay, these are your bootleg Converses. Okay, but ain't nothing wrong with that, honey, because I sure about me up here. These sandals was absolutely fab. Okay, honey, I was trying to say, I was thinking it's fab. Honey, I was trying to say the word fabulous, but I wanted to do it in, cut it up in, fab, whatever. Okay, so we had came into this store. My youngest son wanted to go in this store. I asked him why, okay, because they had so much stuff in this store. And I thought these was cute. The earmuffs, you press the little scarf thing, the earmuffs moves. It was really cute. Then I came into this place, this store. I don't even know the name of this store, but these places are in Union City, okay? My youngest son seen the suit outside and he was like, oh my goodness, that's nice. This jacket, honey, of course, my youngest son, you gonna need some money for this kid, okay? Because he's sure gonna eat. Then this store right here, oh my goodness. The clothes, absolutely gorgeous. Honey, I'm gonna be coming. You see this jacket? Did you see that jacket? It was only one left, okay? These clothes in here was absolutely fabulous. Okay, so this is a 2-piece. It has the skirt, and this was the outside of the store. Absolutely gorgeous, honey. Look at these clothes. They was calling my name today, okay? Absolutely fantastic. Then we finally found the churro place, which really, really funny because we was walking in the opposite direction, and then the universe said to me, Dina, go across the street where you heard that music playing. And over there, most likely they have something inside. Go inside. So we went inside. Honey, look no further. Okay. They had the churros. Okay. The churros was $8. Okay. But that wasn't bad. This place is newly built. Absolutely amazing. The customer service was superb. And the boxes, I love the pictures. Even if you go to Mexico, you see that wooden picture thing. Today was absolutely fantastic.